Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Spotlight with Command Space. Do it now. Type a concise query, for example, an app name or a file name. Once done, narrow results by adding modifiers like kind, app or name, quarterly report to reduce noise. Use quotes for exact matches and file type, PDF to find documents fast. You're aiming to get direct results, so keep terms specific. Make sure to glance at the preview pane, on the right to confirm the match before you press return, or use arrow keys. Once Spotlight shows results, use the down arrow to move through them and pause to read the preview. This avoids accidental opens. When you find the item, press return to open it, or command return to reveal it in Finder for file operations. For quick math or unit conversions, type expressions like 15*3, 5 or 10 km to miles, and get instant answers. Make sure to use app-specific keywords to surface content inside apps. This speeds workflow and prevents needless search. To finish, choose the best action. Open, reveal, copy, or drag a result from Spotlight into a document. If Spotlight returns wrong or missing results, rebuild the index. Open System Settings, go to Siri and Spotlight, then Privacy and remove and re-add your drive. This forces reindexing. Also, make sure to disable unused categories to speed searches. Deselect mail or messages if irrelevant. If performance is slow, reboot and recheck permissions. These steps complete the task and fix the common issues you'll encounter.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.